Hello students, and welcome to lesson 1.9.4. This is a preview to introduce to you what you need to do to complete this lesson. So today we will work on your English vocabulary, pronunciation, comprehension, reading, and communication skills. We begin with Beginning English video lesson 9 of 52. So what you do is you click here. And now you have the lesson, week 9. So the first thing is you watch this speaking practice video 1 or 2 times. And it's about 5 minutes and 40 seconds. After that, you watch the pronunciation practice video. It's only 2 minutes long. Watch this 2 or 3 times. And for part 3, you listen, read, and practice along with the audio player and dialogue below. So this is the audio. You push here to play, and then you have this whole dialogue here. So if you click play.
Oh, hi everyone. Here in Washington, D.C., the weather changes often. One day is cold and windy, but the next day is warm and sunny.
Okay, so you listen and you read along. Now, what I'd like for you to do is, if you don't understand any of this dialogue, then you go back up and you translate. You click on the flag to translate, so that you can translate this whole dialogue into your primary language, okay? So you can use the translator to translate to help you understand it better, okay? After you finish with the dialogue, then you have the video lesson, and I want you to watch this 1 or 2 times, and so you can understand it better. And finally, you click here, and you do the online quiz, okay? And the online quiz, as you can see, has 5 questions, and you play the...
What is today's temperature?
What is today's temperature? Anna wants to know what time it is. Anna wants to learn about today's news. Anna wants to know the temperature. Anna wants to know how to make tea. So Anna wants to know the temperature. So you click here and notice it turns green, which means it's correct. And then you do the next question. Okay? So please complete this lesson and do your best. And I'm really happy that you have been working on this lesson as well as the previous 3, which means that you've just finished. After this quiz, you'll be finished with the whole week worth of lessons. Thank you very much, and have a great day.